People ask about rear axle seal leaks all the time, and especially with the 2018 Ford F-150. You'll notice the telltale signs: oil splatter around your wheels, odd smells, or worse, a strange noise you can't unhear. Not fun. And let's be honest, most folks ignore it. Maybe it'll seal itself. No, it won't. Left alone, it's not just messy, it's expensive. Damaged brakes, ruined bearings, and suddenly you're racking up a $1,500 repair bill over a $30 seal. First off, park your truck safely on a flat driveway or garage. Chalk the front wheels for bonus peace of mind. Jack up the rear and support it with sturdy jack stands. Never trust just the jack. This isn't the day for shortcuts. Pop off the wheels, then remove that brake caliper and bracket. I always hang the caliper with a bungee cord from the frame, like it's skydiving for its life. Never let that brake line dangle, or you'll create more headaches. Now, pull that brake rotor off, and there it is, the axle flange. Guys always get stuck here. 8 out of 10 mess this up, so double check for any retaining bolts or C-clips before you try to yank the axle out. No Hulk smash required. Inside the differential, open the cover with a 13mm socket and let the fluid drain into a pan. Prepare for the smell. If you haven't done this before, it'll linger in your garage for weeks. Disposable gloves are your best friend right now. You'll spot a cross pin held with a little bolt. Remove both, then push the axle inward. This reveals a C-clip that holds the axle in. Pull this out gently with needle nose pliers. The axle shaft will then slide out with minimal fuss. Impact score: 6 bolts, 1 big step. The fun part? Removing the actual seal. You'll need a pry bar or seal puller. Go slow, don't gouge the axle tube. If you do, it's time for a sad phone call to the parts counter. Clean the area well. Skipping this is why most DIYers end up with another leak. For installation, I use a proper seal driver or a large socket the same diameter as the new seal. Seat it evenly with gentle taps. Don't tilt it, or you'll be repeating this ritual next weekend. Pro tip: a thin coating of gear lube on the seal lips makes sliding the axle back in a breeze. Then it's just reverse order. Slide in the axle, pop in the C-clip, pull the axle outward to seat the clip, reinstall the cross pin, and torque the pin bolt to spec. Don't forget to reseal that differential cover. RTV silicone gasket maker is a must here. Fill up with fresh 75 Dutter 140 synthetic gear oil. Skip the cheap stuff if you want to avoid another raucous noise at 40,000 miles. The system takes just about 3 quarts, so don't overfill. If you have limited slip, add the friction modifier. Put the rotor, caliper, and wheels back on, and lower the truck. Take a short test drive, but avoid full throttle. If you still see spots in your driveway after, review where you went wrong. 99% of the time, it's the seal not seated right or rough edges on the axle shaft. It's not glamorous, but I'll bet you saved yourself hundreds, maybe more. I do this kind of repair myself in my Portland driveway. You get messy, but in an hour or two, the fix is done, and the only thing leaking is a little pride if you missed a step.